Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to try a DIY mask. It's DIY peel off mask using one product. It's white egg white. So I'm going to use my makeup brush. This is the egg white, some tissue paper, and then I am going to tell you my opinion about it, if it works or if it can remove some of my white heads or blackheads or something from my face. So I have bare face. I just rinse my face. I just rinse it with water. So let's start putting the egg white on my face. I'll start here on my nose part. I cut the tissue paper, but I'm not sure if it perfectly fits on my face. So, okay. This is hard to fix. And I'm going to put more on top. So, like this. And then I saw this thing on the internet because I am checking what can I can put on my face, like a DIY something, so we don't have to spend anything. I need to do this. It doesn't look that good, but oh, it looks like I have some, what do you call that, phlegm? Sipon in Tagalog. So here I put it all. I put enough egg white, I think. So let's wait for it to get dry for maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and I'll be back. So welcome guys, welcome back. So this is how I look like. I cannot move my face. So they're all dry, it's all dry, and then I'm going to remove the tissue papers, and I will tell you if there are some like dirt from my face that will go with the tissue paper. Let's start from the forehead. Can't see any. There's nothing. See, let's see on the here on my chin. Oh, it hurts. The hair, my hair is going. I need to cut it. Oh, it's really sticky. Oh my god. Nothing. I hope we will get something from the nose part. Oh. I don't know why it didn't work on my face. Looks so dry. I cannot see anything, even on the side view. The tissue paper. Nothing. Look at this. So, what now? I just have like a red nose right now. And like the shape of the tissue paper, I mean, it marks on my face, like it looks so old. So I'm going to wash my face. It actually feels cold. And I'm going to tell you if there's something weird. But it feels like it's kind of soft. So I need to remove the dry egg white on my face. I'm going to rinse it and I'll be back for the result. So I'm back from rinsing my face from the egg white that I put on my face. Then there's nothing. I still have some marks from the tissue paper that I put that. But look, I think I still have some white heads and black heads. And I don't know, but maybe it depends on the skin that you have. But on me, it didn't work. So that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do. I'll be very happy. And if you have any request, like if I can do this, I can do that, just leave a comment and I will check and I'll try to do those things you are going to suggest. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and see you again.